Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on the content filtering feature of the Symantec.cloud email filtering service offered by lanechange.net. My name is Robert Schwartz, and I'm going to walk you through the setup of this feature in an example use case. A note before we begin: the content filtering feature is an add-on option that may not appear in your control panel. If this feature is of interest to you, please contact support at lanechange.net for details on how to add this feature to your account. Additional fees may apply. In this tutorial, we will focus on how to block email from a given domain, unless a specific keyword is found in the body of the email. It is important to note that the anti-spam filter runs before the content filter. If the anti-spam filter deems a message as spam, the email will not reach the content filter. So this tutorial assumes a false negative and allows us to further analyze the message by way of content filtering rules. To begin, click on Content Control, select the domain you want to work with, and click Create New Rule. Give the rule a name, say Accept Gmail with keywords. On the Sender tab, enable the checkbox under Domain Lists and enter gmail.com. Now click on the Email Content tab. Under Email Content, click Email contains at least one of these items, and type in the keyword you want to match against. Now click on the Actions and Notifications tab. Under Action, select Log and Exit. This will stop further rules processing on this email and allow it through to your server. And click Save and Exit. Now we need to create a rule to reject emails that come from Gmail but do not contain the desired keywords. Click on Create New Rule. Give the rule a name, say Block Gmail. On the Sender tab, enable the checkbox under Domain Lists and enter gmail.com. Now click on the Action and Notifications tab and select Block and Delete. If desired, you can set the send notification to administrator each time a message is blocked by leaving this option enabled. Click Save and Exit. To summarize what we've done, you now have two rules that will execute in order. The first one will allow email from a given sender with a given keyword. Because the action specified for this rule is log and exit, no further content rules will be used on this email, and it will be allowed through. The second rule specifies that emails from the same sender, but without the keywords, should be blocked and deleted. This is also a terminal rule, so no further processing will take place and the email will be dropped. One final note: as the Symantec cloud infrastructure is quite large, it can take several hours for the new rules to be deployed across servers. Keep this in mind when setting up and testing your new rules. I hope this tutorial on content filtering was helpful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@lanechange.net. Thanks for watching.